My daily routine. Teacher, Miss Dominique. Student, Susan Bravo. Good night, Miss Dominique. My name is Susan. Today I will talk to you about my weekly routine step by step. Very detailed. 7 months ago I gained weight, and then summer is coming. My diet will be accompanied by radio frequency machine, more passive gymnastics, since I have a body aesthetics company. Monday. Where do you eat? On Monday, I eat my home. What did you eat? I eat fruit salad. What ingredient did you put? I put some apples, orange, berries, banana, and 1 cup the honey. Tuesday. Where do you eat? On Tuesday, I eat at my work with the manager. What did you eat? I ate asparagus and fish grilled. They were delicious. What ingredient did you put? I put the myrtle, fish, oregano, salt, 250 ounces butter. Wednesday. Where do you eat? On Wednesday, I eat in my home with my roommate. What do you eat? I eat eggs, fish, and rice where I had a lot of salt. What ingredient did you put? I put rice and once the onions and little carrot, broccoli, 3 eggs, and little the fish. Thursday. Where do you eat? On Thursday in office with my client. What do you eat? I at I eat an sandwich diputado. What ingredient did you put? I put 1 bread, meat, 2 eggs, and little cheese. Friday. Where do you eat? On Friday I eat in the spa with my client. Come for massage. What do you eat? I eat a hot dog. What ingredient did you put? I with a bread and also some tomatoes, a little avocado and mayonnaise. What would you like to eat during weekend? During this weekend, I would like to eat beef soup. What ingredient would you put? Would put meat, 3 cups of water, carrot, potatoes, onion, garlic, sesame in general. Thank you for your attention, Miss Dominique.